It was an ordinary afternoon at the community center. Rachel was in high spirits, enjoying the company of friends and preparing for the weekend's big concert. As she walked hurriedly towards her next class, she didn't notice the small puddle of water that had gathered from a leaky ceiling pipe. In an instant, Rachel's foot slipped and she felt her body lurching backward. Just as gravity threatened to take its toll, a pair of hands caught her swiftly, arresting her fall. Breathless and wide-eyed, Rachel realized she was not sprawled on the cold tiles, but held securely by a boy in a wheelchair. He mustered a gentle smile, his eyes reflecting the wisdom of experience. Believe it or not, that's almost exactly how I injured my back 3 years ago. Rachel looked down at her unexpected savior, both surprised and grateful. She had noticed him at the center before, rolling down the hallways, always with a determined expression and an infectious laugh that could be heard from a mile away. She hadn't known his story. He offered her a reassuring nod and introduced himself as Jake. Over the next few weeks, Rachel and Jake became friends. She learned how he adapted to his new life, finding ways to embrace his situation with enthusiasm and resilience. Jake taught her to see challenges as opportunities for growth. His wheelchair wasn't a limitation, but a testament to his journey and endurance. Through their friendship, Rachel discovered a newfound admiration for a kind of courage that didn't flaunt itself, but spoke quietly through everyday action. And from that day on, whenever Rachel faced a situation that seemed insurmountable, she would remember the moment she was caught in her fall. She thought of Jake and how sometimes roles were reversed. Those who appeared to need help were, in fact, the ones offering it.